Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach, this is the multi-vendoring point of sale system. You will be able to see the multi-vendoring point of sale system. There is a vendor, so we have to purchase the item and we can sell the item. Okay, these are all the module, the purchase and sale. The two modules are there, you can see. Okay, so if you are going to see the demo, now if you, the category, you can enter the category which has a, I'm going to enter the category which has a washing machine. Something washing machine. Okay. Status I'm going to active. Click add button. Category has been created. Here the category has been created. Here you can have the category, it has been active or active. The active. If you want to edit the washing machine, you will be able to edit and delete the things. If you want to search, you will be able to search the category details. Okay, these are the category of the point of sale system. Okay, so if you go to brand, the each category has a brand. So if it is a TV, there is a brand. If it is a washing machine, there is a brand. So I'm going to enter the another brand which is a I'm going to add another brand which is a Sony. Another brand. Status active. Click add button. The brand has been added. You will be able to see the table. The brand has been added. So if you want to edit the details, you click on the edit button here. The editable data will be passing the form successfully here. Now I want to click edit. So I want to Sony, I want to deactivate that. Click add button. Brand updated. Here the deactivated will be deactivated. This one it won't show. Here it will be deactivated. Here this Sony has been deactivated. Okay, this brand is nowadays not available. So out of the stock, we will be able to deactivate. So if you click edit, again I am going to active, will be active the brand. Okay, so if you want to delete the brand, so there will be the button called delete. If you click delete button, there is a confirmation box. If it is no, it will be keep on the table. If you click yes, the brand has been deleted. So I'm going to create another brand, some ABC. Click active, click add button. Brand created successfully. I want to delete this ABC brand. Click a delete button. It asks the confirmation box whether you are going to delete yes or no. If it is yes, brand has been deleted. Okay, this is the things you have to implement your system. Okay, there will be the confirmation box. So there are no user the following that instruction. Okay, so if you click delete button, you cannot be delete the record itself. Okay, you need a confirmation box. Okay, right. So we have to go to the product. Third one is a product. Okay, we have a category. You have a category and brand. Here there is a two categories and two brands. Now I'm going to the TV, which is belongs to some other code of the TV. Okay, some other code LG. Description something, a description you have tried the description something, description. Category which is a TV, brand which is a LG brand. Warranty I'm going to use 10-year warranty. Cost price which is a 10,000 cost price. Retail price, we have to get the retail price. We have to go to the 8,000 the retail price. Okay, so barcode I'm going to enter as 111212. This is a barcode code of the TV. Starting date we have today date we have to update in my sales system. Active, this product is active right now. Click save button. Product update is successful. Now you'll be able to see here this one. Okay, you can see TV, brand, warranty period. This is the cost price, retail price. The stock is we have at the moment we have to giving as a null, because once we purchase the item, the stock is added. We just be in the system, we are telling this item, this is the product available in our system. We have to introduce the product, but not yet we have to give the purchase the product. Okay, not here the product on TV level will be here null. It's a barcode level, it's adding it. Now I want to this product I have added the system. So again you have to go to the vendor part. So vendor you will be able to register vendor. So I'm going to introduce a new vendor called Steve. Some other contact number, email address steve@gmail.com, some address. The project status active. click save button. Registration successful. You can the register user will be available below on the table. You will be able to see. Now I am going to go to the vendor section. So sorry, the purchase section. Okay, purchase section. These are the vendors. So I'm going to buy the TV products from Steve. That is the person of the vendor. We will be that the person we are selling the TV. So I'm going to select that vendor first. Vendor Steve. So we have entered the barcode of the product. Which product we are going to purchase. So 12, 12, 12. Which here, this is the barcode. Here you can see the barcode. Products the barcode. This barcode, if you enter, get 12, select the vendor Steve. Okay. The relevant here, you just enter the barcode. The product will be here. It will be product information will be passing to the relevant text. But here it asks to enter the quantity. So I want to buy this TV for 100. This is the price. Click add button. So this one. Select. Now here you can see the same barcode I want to add again. Again I want to order. You cannot be added here. The product with this barcode is already added in the below table. We can't add it again. So you can edit the one. Okay, under quantity, if you want to enter the 120 here, the 100 quantity will be total has been created. If you want to press 120, click here, it will be changed. Okay, this is the efficient way to do the programming. Okay, right. So now I want to pay the amount, whatever amount of the vendor. So I want to, this one I'm going to pay. Okay, so this is the amount I'm going to pay. This is the due amount I want to pay from this vendor. So cash I'm going to pay. Print invoice here. Printable invoices display over here. Okay, the simple one. Click print. It has been printed. Now at the moment I have cancelled it. Okay, very simple thing. Okay, this is the product, the purchase. Right. So now your purchase is completed. Now you can go to my products. You can see here this product here. Stock will be here 120. It is we have this TV. We have 120 stock level. Now I am going to go to sell this. Someone asked the system they want to purchase the TV. So this is the sales part. Point of the sales part. So that person need 2 TVs. So that if you enter the what is the quantity you are change it, according to the quantity you are selected, the amount has been calculated. Okay, so click on this. The 2 TVs has been TV has been selected over here. This total will be calculated. So here I'm going to pay over here 20,000. 400 will be balance, which is the cash. This one the customer will be paid. So this is the order. So click print invoice. Here it has been. If you click print, it has been printed. At the moment I cancel it. So I'm going to go to the product section again. Here 2 TVs I already sought. So the stock level will be decreased by 2. So now the earlier 120 TVs available. After 2 TVs bought, now the quantity has been reduced as 180. Okay. So this is how we have make the multi-vendor point of sale system. This all the purchase report, all the things I have to I not implemented. This all the things very must. So this system how to make step by step we will teach later on. Thank you for watching.